We cannot let our guard down, you know. We might even make it to the second layer before anyone comes after us!
Well, that's good to hear, I guess. Rico? Oh.
Let's have some breakfast.
I need you to stay right.
It'll be just fine. I am going to protect you, okay? I sure am hungry. I need to look around and see if I can find some food.
I'm okay. With this sort of thing, it's better to get diarrhea sooner than later.
Huh?
Oh, bathroom!
This is something I've seen countless times at the orphanage. She'll probably spend half the day glued to the toilet.